Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about spheres, and we're going to be finding two things about them. We're going to be finding surface area of a sphere, which is like the area of the outside of a ball. Like if you needed to cover it with paper, how much paper would you need? And then the second thing we're going to be finding with spheres is something called volume, which is like how much water can it hold? How much three-dimensional space does it take up? So each of these will have its own formula. We're going to do one example of each, and then hopefully the rest of this should go pretty easy for you today. So number one, we're going to find the surface area of this sphere. In order to do that, you're going to have to know the formula for surface area of a sphere, and it's going to be 4 times pi times the radius squared. 4 pi r squared is the formula you will use whenever you're finding surface area of a sphere. So remember that the radius is the distance from the center to the end. So luckily in number 1 they give me that information. So I'm just going to plug in the 3 for r. So that's going to be 4 times pi times 3 squared. And then I would just take out my calculator and I would do 4 times pi times 3 to the second power and push enter. And that would give me my answer. Okay, down here, we're going to find the volume. The formula for volume of a sphere is 4 thirds times pi times r to the third power. So for this one, all you need is just the radius. And number 9, I am actually giving you the diameter. So to find the radius, we need to take the diameter and cut it in half. So 21.6 cut in half is going to be 15.8. So there's my radius. I'm sorry, that's not right. That would give me, sorry guys. 11, sorry, 10.8. There we go. Sorry, my brain's still warming up this morning. Okay, so there's my radius, 10.8. I found it by taking this and cutting it in half. That's the diameter. So now all I got to do is take this 10.8 and plug it into r. So the volume will be 4 divided by 3 times pi times 10.8 to the third power. So on my calculator, I would just do 4 divided by 3 times pi times 10.8 to the third power. Remember to do to the third power, you push this button on your calculator, and then the 3. Okay, that should get you through the lesson today, you guys. 2 formulas, you might want to write them down at the top, just like I did. Surface area is 4 pi r squared, and the volume is 4 thirds pi r cubed. Hope this goes well.